We continue to follow developing news regarding the executive director of the La Jolla Housing Authority. Just a few hours ago, Juan Jose Garza appeared in federal court for the first time since he was arrested on wire fraud charges. CBS 4's Imelda Mejia has the very latest.
At any minute, J.J. Garza can walk out of these doors as the federal judge granted his release from custody with a $50,000 bond. Standing before U.S. Magistrate Judge Dorina Ramos in the same clothes he was arrested in on Friday, Garza entered a plea of not guilty. The La Jolla Housing Director is charged with 1 count of conspiracy to commit wire fraud and 7 more charges of wire fraud. Garza faces 20 years in prison for each charge and up to a $250,000 fee if found guilty. Judge Ramos took into consideration the nature of his offense and decided to release Garza on bond.
It's a sense of relief that we were able to get him out of bond, because you never know how these hearings are going to go.
The bond is a signature bond, meaning Garza doesn't have to put in any money to be released. The money will only be owed if he doesn't show up to court hearings. Once released on bond, Garza must surrender his passport, report to pretrial officers, undergo drug tests, refrain from alcohol, and maintain employment. Garza's attorney says he has not yet spoken to his clients about whether or not he will step down from his school board trustee position in La Jolla. Judge Ramos set the final pretrial hearing date for November 7th, with jury selection scheduled for the 9th. Garza's attorney says he will begin looking at discovery starting next week. Outside the federal courthouse in McAllen, Imelda Mejia, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
And investigators believe Garza worked with Armando Jimenez on the bid rigging scheme. Jimenez is scheduled to be arraigned tomorrow.